Hello, good morning. My name is Andi Zaky Ashari with name 25019777172. And this time I will directly to demonstrate program because earlier I already tried to explain all my code and the duration is not enough. So maybe I'll just direct to demonstrate the code. So let's just start it. First thing first, we have a list of doctors. This is just a hard code to show the doctors in every clinic. And the second menu is registration, where user is asked to fill all the patient's information. But before that, user is asked to choose one of four clinic available. So I'll choose clinic number one, which is Subaru Clinic, and I'll just type the patient information. So this is the patient's information, and now I'll click enter, and the recap of that patient's information will be shown to user with the status in queue. And now I'll just add another patients. So here it is. And now I'll add another patient in another clinic. Let's just try clinic number 4, which is Mandalore Clinic. And I'll just add it to next patient for the same clinic. Okay, all patients already added, and now we are going to the third menu, which is current clinic queue. This menu will show all patients in all clinic with the doctor that will handle them. In this case, in Taken and Ionic Clinic, there are no any patient in it, so the patient list is empty. The only clinic that has a patient is Subar Clinic and Mandalore Clinic. And now we are headed to the menu number 4, which is outpatient. User firstly asked to enter the patient's name. In this case, I will type Andi, and the patient's complement. In this case, I will just say headache, and the small recap will be shown to user. Let's just try another patient. The same thing will shown to user, and we are going to the fifth menu, which is pharmacy queue. This menu will show all patients in pharmacy queue. We already have Andi and Zaky. Now we are headed to the sixth menu, which is drug tracking. In this menu, there will be shown medicine or drug price for every complement they have. And now we are headed to the seventh
procedure, which is a payment procedure. In this menu, since Andi is the PJS user, so there are a note in it. The costs are covered by insurance. And for Andi, since he is Mandiri user, so he will pay for the total price. The total price is 150 rupiah. And the note is please proceed to the cashier. And all done. Now we are checking the external file, which is the archive file. The Andi and Zaky already paid their medicine and all the stuff with the administration cost and doctor cost. And now they are headed to the data is headed to the archive file. So just like this, Andi and Zaky are already in archive file, which means they are already disappeared from pharmacy queue and already disappeared from the current clinic queue. So that is my demonstrate of my program. All my program already have a note in it. So I will put the source code in my answer sheet. Thank you. I'm sorry if there is something wrong with my code. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning.